Alright, let's crack the code on circle math. I know, circles might look intimidating at first, but stick with me and you'll be a pro in no time. A circle is a 2D closed shape where every point on the boundary is equally distant from a fixed point called the center. First, let's talk perimeter, but in circle speak, that's called the circumference, the distance around the circle. Imagine wrapping a string around your favorite pizza. The distance that string covers, that's the circumference. Here's the magic formula. Circumference equals 2 times pi times the radius. Just remember, the radius is the distance from the center of the circle to the edge. Say your circle's radius is 5 centimeters. Plug it in the formula for circumference. Check the result. That's about 31.4 centimeters. Easy, right? Now let's dive into area, the space inside the circle. The formula, area equals pi times the radius squared. Sticking with our 5 centimeter radius, the area is pi times the radius squared, which is about 78.5 square centimeters. So to sum it up, circumference is the distance around and area is the space inside. Both just need the radius and a little help from pi. Next time you see a pizza, a clock or a coin, you'll know exactly how to measure it like a math whiz. Don't forget, practice makes you perfect. Keep experimenting and circles will be your new best friend.